Are you sick and tired of waking up and going to a job that you just hate? Well, good news. My name is Nancy, and I have a solution for you. I have over 20 years experience in HR, organizational development, and leadership coaching. In my practical course, you will learn the secrets on how to nail your dream job interview and beat out your competition, the step-by-step skills to get noticed and get promoted in the workplace. It will also teach you on how to be an effective and compassionate leader that your team will want to impress. I'm going to help you develop a 100-day plan that you can take to your interview or when you've started your dream job. If the 100-day plan is too much for your role, you can change it to a 90-day plan, 60 days, or 30 days. I'm so excited for you to join our growing community of blossoming seeds.